Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So this week on I Didn't Know Until Somebody Told Me, I really didn't know that you guys wanted me to fire up this engine. So stay tuned. But no, for real though, guys. I didn't think you wanted me to do a test ride on an engine that we already did a test ride for. But two individuals came by and asked me to do it, so I figured we'd go ahead and give it a run today so you can hear how it sounds. So let's see what she can do. So folks, after having numerous issues with my audio from earlier today, we decided to take a nighttime ride. So before we journey off, we'll have a quick update. Folks, we bought an engine today for Hope, so we're really looking forward to that. So let's see what she sounds like at night. All right, so here we go. So there is the flirting. You can hear it. When I let off the throttle. Alright folks, well, we're back home. So there seems to be a little bit of a hesitation after hitting about 25 once I let off the throttle. But I think that has a lot to do with the tuning of the carburetor. So we're going to get some bigger jets to see if we can get a little bit better gas flow. But all in all, she's sounding pretty good to me. So until next time, this is Kachi's Kid. I want everybody to have a great night, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody.